Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to transform some food waste to something delicious. So last night we have chicken dinner and duck dinner. So it's still a waste for us. So we're gonna get our food waste turned into good and delicious food.
You need 2 pieces of onion, 2 pieces of garlic, 2 pieces of chili, 2 eggs, cooking oil, some butter, sweet soy sauce, food waste, salt and pepper, rice. Chop all the ingredients. Heat the pan until the medium heat. Saute the garlic, onion, duck, chicken with the cooking oil together. If the chicken and the duck has turned brown, pick it up. Add some butter, beat the egg and scramble the egg. Add the rice. Add some seasoning and mix it up. Finally, pour the chicken and the duck and mix it together until the rice turns goldish brown.
This is it, nasi goreng ala Brian. This is from a food waste into a delicious food and eatable. Thank you for watching.